Hello and welcome to Omkara Smallcase. In this video, let me take you through what is remandate and what is the process that you can follow to do the same. If in case minimum balance is not maintained for auto debit of the fee, or if your payment is rejected for any other technical reason, you will automatically be given a grace period of 7 days to re-sign your mandate. You will be notified by the small case accordingly via mail. If in case you haven't received any intimation on mail for any reason, or if the mail has ended up in your junk mail, you can also view your payment status on the small case app. It usually takes around 2 days for the payment to process. Now in case the mandate is not re-signed in the grace period of 7 days, your subscription will also be void, after which you will have to resubscribe all over again and you will have to pay the subscription fee again. Moving on to the next question. What is the process that you follow to re-sign your mandate? We start with going to the Omkara Smallcase website. Click on subscribe now. Fill in all your details. You will automatically be able to see that your payment has not been processed. Click on retry payment and click on eNash mandate. It will redirect you to the page where you will have to re-enter your bank details like your account number, your customer name, and so on. Again, you can either choose to pay with your card or net banking. In this video, we chose to go with net banking. You will be redirected to the e-mandate registration form. You'll have to enter your customer ID and password, after which you'll have to provide your OTP. You will be able to see the transaction status and done. You have successfully re-signed your e-mandate.